be a great spot for a dust mask.
You need some dust masks.
Well,
That was about 5,000 probably in that wall.
Yeah.
oh, there's more than 5,000.
Well, probably everybody at 3,000 outside yesterday.
Oh, yeah, I think.
That's what?
Old comb. It's been there for several years.
Stress level get a little higher?
No. This is not in my purview.
But the bad thing is, the frames are in the back. So I'll have to take everything to the house and then do it. Taking that back out of here is going to be fun going down the steps full of bees.
Another escapee.
Yeah, they're starting to come out now. They're attracted to this light's attracting them. I've got jeans on. He's got a full suit.
I don't have anything on.
How about the wrong one?
I see how you are. You're going to let me get the shit stung out of my...
Somebody's got to be the guinea pig.
Yeah. I'm thinking I don't like you guys right now. So how long you guys been doing this?
This is my first use in this seat. And this is the first time helping do this. We're supposed to do a big one there out at Stonington. It's about 18 foot tall on the outside of the house.
I'm hoping this one isn't 18 foot tall.
No, this shouldn't be. Let's say it got down to the floor.
I know, that's why I'm hoping it's not that tall.
There's old comb down at the bottom, and that's normally where the new comb is. So.
You should have a floor break anyway.
Oh, these guys are getting ready to crack this open and get our first view of how big the hive is. And whoa, hello, wow.
We were off on our step.
Here's
There's quite a few drones in here though. That was a drone.
I see.
They can't sting you. All they're for is mating. After that, they die immediately after. Right here is what the thing we end up getting. I think. Now look at the brood right here. Where it's capped. Everything else is connected. That's the brood up here. These bees right here that are dancing around, they're doing a waggle dance telling the other bees where to go to get pollen or nectar.
You said the queen was where?
We haven't found her yet. She's going to be I think there's 2 or 3 combs in here. She's going to be in between.
In the middle?
Or up top where we're going to have the trouble getting to.
by the end of summer, that new comb right there probably be down to the floor, wouldn't it?
Maybe close.
That hasn't been there too long.
Now,
Well, I'm thinking we're not going to let it get that low.
Not?
No.
I don't think that one normally would stay, but I'm going to damage it coming out, and since it's not capped, it's not going to be working. Wait, look at that.
That's a good comb, isn't it?
Well, this got like nectar in it. It'll have, it's got nectar in the home. And you got roots there. That means trying to come out.
So why the cooler?
That way, the bees that come out, I still get.
Is that to keep the heat in?
That'll keep the heat in for the brood, and then I can frame that up when I get home. Most of these are nurse bees, so all they do is work in the hive for the first 9 to 12 days of their life, and then they
Now, can they sting?
Okay.
Nurse bees again? Okay.
The only ones that don't
Drone?
Drone? Queen does. Oh, queen does? The queen can sting repeatedly.
Now you're going to use that, or you're going to put a piece of the brood in there?
Yeah, whenever I get at home, I just do this now. I try to let these set down, then back them off.
Ah,
This control is real fragile, and it's this holding it is from
is it because it's old?
no, because it's new. This come up here from the little step.
Right, okay. Explain the difference between nectar and honey.
Nectar is straight from the plant. Honey is dried down. Down to, I think it's about 15%.
So why is the new comb fragile?
It's just made. It hasn't been walked on enough.
Has been walked on enough?
Yeah, don't walk on it. Don't dry it out a little bit.
The darker comb is what?
Darker comb is where the fruit has been, and the lighter comb is where it hasn't been at yet. Where they haven't laid eggs.
I haven't laid it.
These cells down here are smaller than the workers. All these up here are big. Those are all for the growth. The bigger cell,
But what's in the cell?
nothing now. Well, nothing now.
Well, that's what I'm saying. So they actually put nectar back into old comb.
Yeah.
Now, once they put the nectar back into the old comb, is that for food or is that for breeding? Brooding?
Food. I think it's saying 5 or 8% of the hive is grown. Well, this is 50 to 75%. Well, I got one. Yes, John? We'll grab it.
Nope. I don't tempt fish. I grabbed one that didn't sting and he'd bring 8 buddies that did. So why is it a first for you?
I've never seen this many drones. And this is the first time I've cut one out of the house like this.
Yeah.
I've done a few swarms. It's small cutouts, but ripping the wall out is,
Trial by fire, right?
yeah.
I have to take the window out. Yeah. Where we get the screen out.
I don't know what the drones are. I mean, look on the floor. Look everywhere. On the bed. I don't know. One there. Yeah. They actually have one of them.
Typically how I know they build, down if they're hanging, how much in a year's time or a month's time do they?
It depends on if they have young bees. If they have the young bees, like babies that are just emerged, I think it's about 9 days old they'll start making wax. But they only make wax like day 9 to day 13 or 14. So
What makes the wax?
they have wax glands. On the back, on the bottom of the abdomen,
Right.
there's glands that make the wax.
Oh,
So they get it
see, I didn't know that either.
from the sugar and
Right.
Hive tool. Huh? Hive tool.
Yeah,
They'll head back
I'll
over
still
there.
hear 'em.
If the queen's still there, they'll be over there.
they are everywhere.